Today I'm going to work as a construction worker here in Brookhaven. So yeah, dude, I was gonna get the excavator. Where is the excavator? And yeah, and there it is. Get the excavators and let's go take all of the dirt here just like this and boom and yo, this is too hard to do that. Let's gonna do this bro. Holy mama, and let's go. We can do it. We can. Yeah, let's go. We can do it. Hey, let's go. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Do it. Yeah. Mama, and yeah, dude. Let's gonna. Let's go surprise and yeah, I'm actually stuck now. Yeah, my excavator. Yeah. Oh, and also, if we hadn't already hit that like subscribe button, you know what? Let's gonna get it running again. Oh, yeah. And holy mama, let's gonna get it running. Holy mama, let's gonna get it running. Boom. We got this. Oh, we got a better excavator now. Can do yeah. Get to work like this and yo, it's too hard for me. You know what? Maybe we have to get a bulldozer. No, because this excavator is too hard. Yeah. Okay. Okay, dude. Let's gonna get a bulldozer and clean this mess up. Oh yeah. Let's gonna clean this. Bro, holy wow, let's clean it up right. They're awesome, really great, and let's gonna clean it right there. Oh, let's gonna clean this mess. Mama, let's gonna clean it, clean. Gonna clean it, and yo, Mama, there's a lot of dirt in there. Yeah, oh, yo, let's go. We gotta have to. Hey, yo. Oh, it's gonna clean. Oh, clean. Oh, let's go. We gotta clean this mess. Oh, we can't have any mess over there, yeah. Oh, bro, holy. And yo, bro, there's a lot of messes here. Holy mama, yo, this is really good. Look at this, bro. This is really helpful, bro. Oh, let's go. Dig it. Yo, bro. Mama, is this working? Maybe yes, or maybe not. Hey, Mama, let's gonna get to work and boom. Now we're gonna get all the door, and we need some materials. Those, bro. Mama, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, now it's time to build a house. Yeah, my mama was gonna build a house, bro. Mama, it's now time to build a house. Yeah. Oh, maybe this one. Good. Yo, and let's get the trailer. My mama, and boom, do we got a trailer? And let's get the materials. Oh, let's gotta get both the materials. Oh, holy mama, yeah. Hey, Mama, we got the materials ready. Yeah. Oh, bro. I was gonna align the truck, bro. I think I have to go into the car. In down here. Ah! Oh, bro. Yeah, I was gonna back up the truck. Oh, holy. Oh, yeah. Mama, I was gonna keep on going. And let's go, let's go. Are we able to go up? I think we're not. Yeah. Oh, no. Mama was gonna spawn in a trailer. And yeah. Mama was gonna back up this truck. Truck. Yeah. Uh, hey, Mama was gonna back up this truck. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's gonna get into the crate. And right, y'all. Hey, Mama, how am I able to go? Ah, hey, Mama, yo, this is not good. Yo, you know what? Mama, let's gonna get it attached to it. Alright, I was gonna go up to the crane. I was gonna go up to the crane, bro. Holy mama, yeah. Holy mama, and let's go, yeah, dude, let's go, let's go. Wait. Oh, let's go pick us up. There we go. We just grabbed a paddle. Mama, let's gonna build a house, bro. Mama, yeah. Mama, and now we're gonna build a house, bro. Mama, and make some more materials. Holy mama, now we basically actually build a house, bro. Mama, Ayla's gonna get some more materials. And then yeah, dude, we gotta get a hammer and bro. Let's gotta hammer all those walls, bro. Mama, let's gotta hammer it right here. Let's gotta hammer, hammer, hammer. Mama, hammering the walls, yo. Yo, let's gotta hammer the walls, bro. Mama, and let's go. We gotta hammer some walls. Oh, wait. Okay, hammering those walls. Hey, Mama, and let's gonna get some more materials. Mama, yeah, let's gonna get some more materials. Where are they? Mama, where is there? Oh, yeah. Mama, let's gonna see and yeah, there it is. Holy mama, and let's gonna hammer the roof, bro. Mama, let's gonna hammer the roof. Mama, yeah, let's gonna hammer it, hammer. Mama, and boom, dude, we're hammering down this roof. Oh, Mama, bro, we're doing a really solid job now, bro. Let's go do something else, yeah. Holy mama, bro, we're building a house in the wild, yeah. Bro, hey mama, and now we build a house. Holy mama, let's gonna hammer them, bro. Mama, hammer, bro. Mama, hammer is down, bro. Mama, yeah, and let's gonna hammer this, bro. Oh, let's gonna hammer it down. Hammer, all these. And boom, dude, we just hammered all of these. Now we're gonna build everything up. Yo, bro. Oh, let's gonna build everything up like this. And yo. Oh, that was really good. Working as a construction. Yo. Oh, my bro. Yeah, we have been doing all these houses. Oh, this is really good, bro. My mama, yeah. Oh, it's gonna the house, bro. I think we might have been doing this for a long, long time. Yo, holy mama, yo. Mama Anna's gonna build it. Us and look at that, yo! Mama, we did it! Yay! We should build a house, yo! Oh, Anna's gonna see if there is open. Then we gotta go and we got a garage door. Yo, bro! Mama, this house looks real, really cool. Holy mama, yo! See, I do this. That's a good day. It's a construction from Brookhaven. We managed to build a house. Says, yo, bro, but this one wasn't good at all. Yo, that was exciting to build a house, bro. Hey, mama, and guys, if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button. Enjoy. Bye.